So far, Albuquerque police say there is one person in custody, and they do have one gun linked to at least one of those 6 shootings. I did ask APD today about any other details about the suspect or any information about his criminal history. They said they could not release that information because it would jeopardize the investigation. Now, I did reach out to our KOAT legal expert, John Day. He says the person responsible could face multiple charges. 4 different homes and 2 businesses have been shot at in the past month. Albuquerque police say the investigation is moving forward.
There is a suspect in custody on unrelated charges related to these incidents. We do have a firearm in our possession that is linked to one of the shootings.
Although all the people involved are Democrat politicians, Day says this does not mean the person responsible committed a hate crime under New Mexico law.
If it's somebody who's being targeted because of their political affiliation, that's not necessarily a hate crime. It doesn't mean it's still not a serious situation, because that's the person who was shooting could be facing multiple felonies ranging up to and including attempted murder.
Day says charges for this incident can vary.
If you shoot at an occupied building or a dwelling, in other words, if you fire into a house, if you fire into an occupied office building, those could be felony charges as well.
The spokesperson, Camille Ward, for House Democrats told us in a statement, "We're thankful to APD for their efforts to find whoever is responsible for these crimes and hold them accountable so that lawmakers can get back to focusing on their work for the people of New Mexico." When Medina was asked about safety concerns, he says more patrols are underway.
All 3 agencies actually have officers assigned to duties to protect some of our elected officials who have been threatened or feel threatened.
I did reach out to our Republican Party of New Mexico. In a statement, they told me they condemn all acts of violence, but they said they are familiar with these attacks. They said they've received threats and even had their headquarters vandalized. Reporting live in downtown, Stephanie Muñiz, KOAT Action 7 News.
In a statement, Governor Michelle Lujan Grisham wrote, "I am grateful for the solid work of law enforcement to protect public safety. Attacks like these represent a true threat to our democracy, and such violence has no place in our communities."